First, let's explore the amazing tools and features that Pictory offers. As soon as you log in, you'll find helpful guides and videos that walk you through every aspect of the software. This invaluable resource ensures that you have all the support you need to make the most of Pictory. Now, let's talk about the different types of content you can create with Pictory. Whether you want to transform an article into a captivating video, convert a script into a visual masterpiece, repurpose visuals into engaging content, or even edit videos with voice using text, Pictory has got you covered. The possibilities are endless. Let's start with the article-to-video feature, which is my personal favorite. It allows you to effortlessly convert written articles into captivating videos with just a few clicks. Simply paste the URL of the article you want to transform, and Pictory will extract key messages and highlight relevant content. You can then choose the type of video you want to create based on the aspect ratio that suits your needs. It's that easy. Next, let's delve into the Pictory editor, where all the magic happens. You'll find various components on the left side, including story, visuals, format, audio, and styles. With the visuals option, you can access a vast library of stock media clips or search for your own photos and videos. Adding audio is a breeze with a wide selection of tracks to choose from, including voiceovers and text-to-speech options available in different English accents. Pictory offers a range of transitions and styling themes, allowing you to customize how your text appears in your videos. Currently, there are 8 themes available, ensuring that your videos have a professional and polished look. And of course, you'll want to export your videos in high resolution, so Pictory allows you to export in 1080p for the best visual quality. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of video creation. Pictory employs a user-friendly slide-based approach. You can easily add, modify, and rearrange slides to create the perfect sequence for your video. Need to change the background? No problem. Just browse through the visuals section and choose a video or image that suits your vision. You can even highlight important text within your video to make it more impactful. But we're not done yet. Pictory offers a range of audio options to enhance your videos. You can select voiceovers from talented professionals, or if you prefer, you can use the text-to-speech feature to generate voiceovers that match your content. Pictory also allows you to add background music and customize the audio to create the perfect atmosphere for your videos. Once you've fine-tuned your video, it's time to generate the final product. Pictory offers different options, including creating a video, generating a spreadsheet of social video posts, or even integrating with Hootsuite for seamless social media publishing. With just a few clicks, your video is ready for download or sharing through a shareable link. Before we wrap up, let's quickly discuss the brand settings feature. This allows you to personalize your videos by uploading your logo, entering your brand name, and customizing various aspects of your videos. With Pictory, you can create a consistent and branded look that sets you apart from the competition. Now, let's address the burning question. How can you make $500 per day using Pictory? Here's the deal. With Pictory's ease of use and powerful features, you can create multiple high-quality videos in a short amount of time. And with the right niche and strategic keyword targeting, you can easily attract hundreds of thousands of views on YouTube. Monetizing these views with a CPM, cost per thousand views, of $30 to $40 in ad revenue, Pictory AI provides you with a unique advantage to maximize your earnings potential. By leveraging Pictory's cutting-edge AI technology and automation tools, you can streamline your video creation process and optimize your content for maximum engagement and monetization. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make $500 per day using Pictory AI. Step 1. Identify a profitable niche. Research and identify a niche that aligns with your interests and has a substantial audience base. Look for niches where advertisers are willing to pay a premium for targeted traffic and where viewers are actively engaging with video content. Step 2. Harness the power of Pictory's AI technology. Utilize Pictory AI's AI-powered article-to-video conversion feature to transform written content into captivating videos. Leverage the customizable templates, graphics, and effects to enhance the visual appeal of your videos and make them stand out. Step 3. Implement strategic keyword targeting. Conduct thorough keyword research using Pictory AI's integrated tools to find high-volume, low-competition keywords. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with these strategic keywords to improve search visibility and attract organic traffic. Step 4. Create engaging and high-quality videos. Leverage Pictory AI's intuitive interface and drag-and-drop functionality to assemble your video content effortlessly. Take advantage of AI-generated voiceovers to add a professional touch to your videos and enhance viewer engagement. Step 5. Optimize monetization strategies. Enable monetization on your YouTube channel by joining the YouTube Partner Program. Leverage Pictory AI's analytics tools to gain insights into your viewership, engagement metrics, and ad performance. Experiment with different ad formats and placements to maximize your CPM rates and overall ad revenue. Step 6. Expand your reach and promote your content. Utilize Pictory AI's social media sharing capabilities to distribute your videos across various platforms. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and encourage viewers to share your content to increase its visibility and reach. Step 7. Diversify your revenue streams. Explore additional monetization avenues such as brand partnerships, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. Collaborate with other creators or brands within your niche to tap into their audience base and unlock new opportunities. By following these steps and harnessing the power of Pictory AI, you can significantly increase your chances of generating $500 per day or even more through your YouTube channel. With its user-friendly interface, AI-driven capabilities, and advanced monetization tools, Pictory AI empowers content creators to monetize their passion and turn their videos into a lucrative income stream.